Hey guys, welcome to the ultimate guide to the SMS with video ads leads section. This section is an effective and user-friendly page or platform that provides businesses with invaluable insights into their subscribers and lead generation efforts. This comprehensive platform allows businesses to make informed decisions and optimize their strategies for success. With its easy-to-use interface, businesses can quickly and efficiently track and manage their subscribers, segment their audience, and take action to improve engagement and conversion rates. With the SMS video ads lead section, businesses can maximize the returns on their investment and get the most out of their lead generation efforts. Now, once you click on the lead section on the left, you'll be presented with a few icons on the top, a search module below, and the leads directory at the bottom. The icons at the top represent the numbers of leads you have on your platform. The first one displays the number of subscribers. The second one shows the number of people who have unsubscribed. The third one shows the number of people who subscribe through SMS with the keyword you set. The fourth one shows the number of subscribers who subscribe through in the web widget. The fifth one shows the number of subscribers who subscribe through the kiosk. And the last one shows the number of leads imported to your video ads platform. The rightmost item is a groups dropdown. When you click on it, you can choose to add group, merge group, manage, and group schedule. This allows you to create and manage groups of leads and manage their contact information. Now, when you click add group from the dropdown menu, a model box will appear and prompt you to copy members from an existing group. If desired, if you choose to copy members from an existing group, you will select the group you wish to copy and all fields from the group will be pre-populated. With the exception of the group name and keyword, it is important to give each of these fields a unique name, as duplicates are not allowed. If you are copying from an MMS group type, you must select new images from the new group. So let's go back and create a new group here. You'll be asked for a group name. The name must be unique, and it is important to consider the audience when naming the group, as they will be how users will identify it. The final field is for the keyword. The keyword is the word that subscribers will text into your number in order to join your contact list. It is important to choose an easily memorable keyword in order to make it easy for subscribers to join your list. Additionally, the keyword must be unique and cannot already be in use. Right? Well, I'm pretty sure if you are an SMS It user, you should be familiar with this. But for those who haven't had any experience with SMS It yet, or don't have an SMS It account, then we'll just give you some brief example or info about the buttons here or the other functions. From this one, the group type drop down, you may select either coupon, join, property, or real estate or vehicle. If coupon is chosen, then users may keep texting in the keyword to receive auto reply messages, which can be updated with the new coupon codes weekly or monthly. If join is chosen, users will only be able to text in the keyword once to join the group. For property real estate, it is perfect for realtors to enter in the details of the property, which will be sent back to prospective buyers when they text in the respective keyword. And lastly, vehicle is great for car dealers with the same concept. Details of the vehicle will be sent back to prospective buyers when they text in the keyword. So common one that we use here is the join one, so that they can join the group if they text a keyword resto to your number. If you wish to capture birthday for the purpose of sending out your birthday SMS wishes, this will be enable and disable for this group. Just click this one. If enabled here and under settings, a message will be sent back to the user to enter their birth date after subscribing to this group. This message should include a reminder to enter their birth date. as well as any information required by our program's terms and conditions. And once that's done, a birthday SMS wish will be sent to that user when it's their birthday. This wish should be something special to make them feel appreciated and help build your relationship with them. In the message field, you can type in the message that you want your subscriber to receive when they key in the keyword. So let's say, thank you for joining. Next field is a mandatory appended message, which must be included with all SMS messages. This field is mandatory and cannot be removed or edited. It is a regulatory requirement for all SMS messages. Please make sure to include this appended message to ensure compliance. If a member message is received from someone who is already subscribed, they will receive a personalized message letting them know that they have already subscribed. This message can be tailored to your business and is an effective way to engage with your existing subscribers. Now, double opt-in here. This is when someone signs up with the keyword or through the web widget. They will receive a second text message to confirm their subscription. This double opt-in process ensures that your members are truly interested in your group and helps guard against accidental signups. The notify sign up toggle switch here will be used for notification via SMS whenever someone subscribed to this group. With this feature, you'll get an instant alert that includes the number that subscribed and the group they signed up for. Now resuming to merge groups. This form allows you to easily combine two groups into one. In the form field, select the group you want to merge, and into the to field, select the group you want the form from group to be joined to. Merge your groups quickly and easily with this straightforward form. The Manage Groups drop-down is the next step in managing your contacts. Here you can search your contacts and display the list in groups of 5, 10, 15, or 20 at a time. You can also copy, download, print, or choose analytics. And the column headers available for your list are group name, group type, keyword, double opt-in, and actions. You can also edit each of your groups. You have the options to edit the group, copy it, download it, Excel, print it, or choose analytics. Last one here is the group schedule message. With this option, you have the flexibility to copy, download, and Excel, print, or view analytics of the group schedule message. This table will show you the following details: send on, send from, group city, state, postal code, message type, and actions. If you want to create a recurring weekly schedule SMS, copy WI here or weekly increment will create an exact duplicate of the schedule message, but with a send on date 1 week later. Alternatively, if you want to create a recurring monthly schedule SMS, copy WI will create an exact duplicate of the scheduled message, but with a send on date 1 month later. Now to the next one. You can do contact search here for contacts quickly and searching contacts quickly and easily using a contact search box. Choose from 3 different fields to search on: email, name, or number. You can also search by value. Well, just type in the value in the provided field, and additionally, you can filter group or source using the drop-down options. When you're finished, just simply click the search button. The bottom part of the lead section displays the list of contacts along with their name, email, number, group, subscriber, and source. This is a great way to keep track of all your contacts and quickly access their contact details. The set of action buttons available allows you to quickly interact with your contacts. These action buttons include send SMS, send email, edit, contact, timeline, unsubscribe contact, delete contact, and delete chat as well. Each of these buttons has its own purpose and can be used to quickly access the desired result. And that's about it for our leads section. Hope this helps you guide you on how you can use this section in the SMS video ads. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.